Alright, back again with another video for the Sadak Surakshya series. And today is gonna be a different video. It's actually quick tips and suggestions for beginners. So if you are one, keep your ears open. And if you aren't one but you have some tips, drop them down below. I'd appreciate it. Tip number 1, please be careful where you stop your bike. म बलुवामा रोक्दै थिएँ चिप्लेर. Anyway, so you just got your license. Congratulations. I mean, it's a big thing, eh? त्यो लाइसेन्सको ट्रायलको दिन प्रेसर, oh my god, यति हुन्छ. Just letting you know, मैले पनि फर्स्ट टाइममा ट्रायल पास गरेँ होइन. एकचोटि गुल्टे, I got too nervous. अनि त्यसपछि सेकेन्डमा बल्ल भएको हो. आफू आत्तिएको हुँदैन तर अरूको आत्तिएको देखेर आफू पनि आत्तिन्छ कि. Like, it's such a interesting phenomena, that whole psychological thing on the day of the exam. But anyhow, good job, you did it. Which now brings me to tell you, buckle up, because now the real fun and challenge and learning curve starts. I know you'll think, भर्खरै त पास गरे हो, अब किन झन् गाह्रो हुन्छ. तर the thing is, ट्रायलमा चाहिँ बाइक, गाडी, स्कुटरमा हात बस्छ. तर driving on the roads of Kathmandu and Nepal in general is a whole different game. किनभने ट्रायलमा, I'll be honest, everything is still sanitized, है. वान वे ट्राफिक हुन्छ. त्यो 8 कोर्समा धेरैजना घुसार्दैन एकैचोटि. बाटोमा आएपछि 10जना 10तिरबाट 10वटा कुरा गरेर हुन्छ. एन्ड 10 इज एन अन्डर एस्टिमेट, है. 50जना इज द मोर रियलिस्टिक नम्बर. अझ रस आवरमा त 60-70 जना एकैचोटि नै हुन्छ भन्छु. लाइक दिस गाई, टु वे बाटो हो बट कहाँ राइटबाट आइदियो यो मान्छे. एन्ड नाउ दिस गाई इज म्याड. के गरे यार यसले. Wrong side button काट्ने हो त्यसरी. You should stick to your side of the road. Use common sense. And then main thing भनेको, ट्रायलबाट निस्केर आउँदा चाहिँ अब डर लाग्छ. This is the first time you're like on the road dealing with traffic, होइन. अनि सो डर चाहिँ लाग्छ. त्यति बेला आत्तिनु हुँदैन. You just need to give yourself a pat on the back and say things like, you've gotten this far, it's okay. काठमाडौँको ट्राफिक मलाई थाहा छ. सुरुमा your engine might go off, you might fall down, you might slip, होइन. के हुनसक्छ. Trust me, I've been through most of these scenarios. And त्यो भएको बेला झन् त्यही बेला नै, why is my mask dropping? आज यो मास्क कस्ने बेला भयो. My mic is attached here, okay? अनि it weighs it down. Anyway, what I was saying is, आत्तिको बेला झन् horn बजाइदिन्छ, कराइदिन्छ, घुर्दिन्छ. अनि it's literally like peer pressure, okay? But the thing is, everyone was at that point of learning, okay? No one comes out and becomes a perfect rider or driver since day one. It's a learning curve, and once again, when practice makes perfect. So not around बरु when you get the license, होइन, जे भए पनि rush hour को बेला, होइन, not rush hour or even रातिको बेला निस्किने extra practice लाई. अनि I think about 2 weeks of good practice, you should have a good amount of control of your vehicle. Like, त्यो अन्दाज हुन्छ के, ब्रेकिङ डिस्टेन्स अन्दाज हुन्छ, क्लियरेन्स अन्दाज हुन्छ, बनेट अगाडि अन्दाज हुन्छ, और बाइकको वरिपरिको, होइन. अनि त्यसपछि your confidence level will shoot up. And until your confidence level shoots up, त्यो लाइसेन्स पाएको दिन मोज मस्ती गरेर ओभर स्पिडिङ चाहिँ पटक्कै गर्ने होइन, है. Like, no. There are a lot of young bikers, especially, and drivers too, honestly, I've heard of a few. License निस्केकै दिन कहाँ घुम्न जान्छ, भर्खरै लाइसेन्स निकाले हुन्छ, एक्सपिरियन्स 0 हुन्छ, स्किल ठिकै भए पनि अनि कहीँ ठोकिन्छ, or like पार्क गर्न सक्दैन. And so try to have someone with you that already has a license with you on your first couple of days, होइन. I know सबैजनाको चाहिँ त्यो प्रिभिलेज हुँदैन तर छ भने गुड इट कुड बी अ फ्रेन्ड अ फ्यामिली अ नेबर बी स्लो यु क्यान अलवेज पिक अप स्पिड पछि when you gain more confidence but सुरुमा just go slower than what you anticipate to like खाली बाटो छ भने I know you can hit 50 but go 40 instead trust me on this जब your reflexes and your attention span and you also learn के नेपालको बाटोमा चाहिँ आफूले चलाउने भनेको त एउटा कुरा छ है तर नेपाली रोड्समा चाहिँ यु अल्सो निड टु बी भेरी प्रेडिक्टिभ के लाइक अरूले के गर्छ अनि a lot of your driving your skill is also the ability to predict khalto होइन like what I just did now होइन people who do random things on the road like U-turn randomly side light नदिने ढोका खोलिदिने होइन and so your job is to like थलेर बस्ने के सबैलाई like I'll be honest half of my driving and riding around town is थलेर बस्ने and so you're not used to this level of multitasking and experience ले गर्दा you just don't know who's gonna do what okay but the more you do it the more better you get at it and eventually it just becomes a reflex as long as you're not overconfident and overspeeding. Okay, तीनजना राख्ने त छ राख्नु हुँदैन. I'm trying to get into the middle lane here. All right, here we go. Merging is always a fun job, but anyway, here's a funny story. Rush hour पनि ठ्याक्क भयो, but traffic चाहिँ मजाले बढ्छ. Here's a funny story though that I wanted to share. License मैले गाडीको निकाले है. अनि I think the first drive after my exam was like कोटेश्वरदेखि यता सानो भर्याङसम्म के and this was during the daytime है like मलाई 8 आएन फर्स्टमै रस आवरको बेला चलाउन अनि it was all over ring road को drive के so खासै त्यो गल्ली सल्ली के पनि थिएन के but I still remember this day के बुवा थियो मेरो साथ होइन अनि I think पछाडि मामु र बहिनी पनि बस just the family was out होइन and oh yeah, I'm sticking on the left hand side I'm not gonna go too fast अनि when I got to सानो भर्याङ the moment I got out of the car होइन त्यो ब्रेक थिच्दा क्लच थिच्दा गियर चेन्ज गर्दा 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 it was probably just a 10 to 15 minute drive है त्यस्तो लामो पनि थिएन अहिले सोच्दा but the moment I got out of the car and got up on both of my feet मेरो left foot त like crumpled के like त्यो लिग हल्लिरहेको because I got so like tense and like tired होइन त्यो क्लच थिच्दा थिच्दा त्यो सबैतिर हेर्दा हेर्दा like internalizing all that information like I just like tilted down okay and then my dad's like oh ke gareko and then I'm like I don't know it was a lot gareke and he's like but on the way back I'll drive the car and I was like okay dad I don't think I'm up to like drive home so that's where I began like quite a long time ago I just noticed my voice got so much louder at speed ani now that I'm at a standstill like I'm again quiet is this what आजकलको गाडीको adaptive sound volume is anyway so yeah be patient with yourself the first couple of days weeks maybe even a month or two go slow go easy take your time there is no rush and there is no pressure to be perfect on the first day and so sneakily overtaking from the left not cool also the kurta thing is like drooping down that's a bit scary मलाई चाहिँ डर लाग्छ है त्यस्तो morning rush hours are the most brutal alright मलाई right जानु छ another one it's always best to go behind someone and not in front of someone यस्तो यो merge गर्ने track change गर्ने बेला के किनभने अगाडिबाट गऱ्यो भने you just it's a bit risky भन्छु म अगाडिबाट गर्न anyway follow the rules होइन stay cool headed किनभने को कहाँबाट आउँछ थाहा हुँदैन स्पिड पनि आउन सक्छ like right now I have this truck up my ass trying to overtake me even though I'm also going straight stop light त्यही हो कहीँ हतारिनु पर्दैन ऐना चाहिँ हेरिराख स्पेशल अवेरनेस राख होइन Follow the rules. Traffic police are there for your help, not against you. You will eventually become good enough to do pro level maneuvering on your own, Dispatsi. And then there's going to be a day where you'll be able to teach someone else. So until then, ride safe, ride slow, learn the rules of the road, don't be overconfident, and stay safe out there. Peace.